When my chest feels tight, I can't slow down. Thoughts like waves and I'm about to drown. Every fear keeps pulling me beneath, but I hear you calling out to me. You say, be still, I'm right here, whispering louder than my fear. Jesus, you hold my mind when I'm losing control inside. Lord, you speak, and the storm must cease. You are my rest, you are my peace. I will breathe, I will trust, even when it's hard, you're enough. In the chaos I will find Jesus, you hold my mind. Oh, when my heart is racing, skipping beats, and I feel the ground beneath me leave, I don't have to fight this on my own. You remind me I am not alone. Every lie starts to break. Oh, when I hear the words you say, Jesus, you hold my mind when I'm losing control inside. Lord, you speak, and the storm must cease. You are my rest, you are my peace. I will breathe, I will trust, even when it's hard, you're enough. In the chaos I will find Jesus, you hold my mind. I give you my worries, I give you my fears, every anxious thought, I'm leaving it here. I know you're with me, I know you stay. You never leave me, you make a way. Jesus, you hold my mind when I'm losing control inside. You are my rest, you are my peace. Now I'm breathing, I'm finally free.